Ano nagiging problema, di ba? Tumitikit. Problem is here, oh. The masa gets stuck to the back roller. Even with the cutting string in place, maigpit na ba itong string mo? Still getting stuck to the back roller. So that causes that's the main problem. Okay, tama na.